You should sign up for Medicare Part B 3 months before you're ready to retire. And for a lot of people, that is 3 months before they turn 65. And when we talk about Medicare, we're talking about the first day of the month that you turn 65. So, 3 months before you're ready to retire, you need to give us a call. And we can guide you on how to sign up for Part B, what it's going to cost, and what it's going to cover. So without Medicare Part B, you will not be able to get a supplemental coverage, such as a Medicare supplement plan or a Medicare Advantage plan. So if you don't know when you're going to retire and you're working for an employer that provides you group health insurance and you're 65 and you want to keep working, and 50% of people want to keep working past 65, that is fine. There's no penalty for not signing up for Part B. In fact, there's a great financial advantage for not signing up if you have group health insurance and your employer has 20 full-time employees or more, and they are covered under their employer insurance plan. You guys don't need Part B. Save the money. Whenever you want to retire, maybe it's at 66, maybe at 70, maybe at 75, schedule a call with us 3 months beforehand, and then we'll sign you up for your Medicare Part B, and then we'll start paying for your Medicare Part B. But there's no need to pay for it if you're going to remain on your employer's group health insurance plan. But if you're self-employed and you don't sign up for Medicare Part B at age 65, there is a hefty penalty. It's 10% a year for every year that you don't sign up. So if you're not on an employer health plan, be sure to give us a call, get the right advice so that you don't make a mistake. Schedule a call with us for your free consultation. It's in the link below or it's up in our bio, so give us a call.